I am nutrition counselor and direct seller. Success starts in mind. The attitude and confidence level that you possess carry you forward or backward. In fact, it is the attitude that matters. It is as important as your experience, ex- expertise, or knowledge. Do not ever let negative feelings overtake you. Always say to yourself, I shall do my best and succeed. Remind yourself that you do not get success in first attempt. It is not the end of life. Pressure and expectation sometimes tempt you to do something wrong and adopt unfair means. Do not forget that it is natural to fail in any venture. A right approach with the right attitude and a strong value system will lead you to your cherished goal. Just having the positive state of mind will enable you to come out a winner. Always stay calm and make yourself comfortable when deciding to tackle any problem. Study your problem carefully before attempting to overcome it. Attempt the easier part first. It will give you confidence to solve the difficult part. Your own assessment of your ability leads you either to success or failure. For example, India's Aki tennis player from Hyderabad, Sania Mirza, is one of the best examples in recent times. She went through a bad phase almost the whole of year 2006, and her rank in the WTA circuit also went down badly. But by the dint of her sheer determination and positive approach, she has been giving fabulous performance in 2007. She went on to become the first Indian woman seeded tennis player. Her ranking in the WTA improved dramatically to the 26th position. Always remember, if God gives any problem, be sure that He will give you the strength to face as well as solve it. You have to make a conscious effort to train your mind to look at the positive aspect of everything that happens to you. Wishing you a brilliant success and a bright future. Have a nice journey of life. God bless you. Think positive. Think big. Achieve big.